We're going to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y, where x plus y equals 10, xy equals 20. Y times 1, y. X times 1, x. X plus y, our numerator. X times y, denominator, equals. We are given x plus y equals 10 and xy equals 20. So 1 over 2 is the correct answer. Next, 4x plus 4x plus 4x equals 192. How many 4x do we have here? 3. So I write it here. Equals 192. Both sides divide by 3. This 3 cancel off. 3 divided by 3, 1. 192 divided by 3, 64. So I write here 4 to the power of x equals 64. 64 can be written as 4 times 4 times 4, which means 4 to the power of 3. So 4 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of 3. Same base, exponent must be same. So x is gonna be 3. And this is the correct answer. Next one, 120%, which means 120 over 100 of, which means times 2000. Two zeros cancel off. 2 times 12, 24. 1, 2 zeros. And this is the correct answer.